guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This side Rinky here. Today we start a DIY card making, which is a quick card and you can gift it on any occasion. This one I have specially made for the Teachers Day. I have taken A4 size black and pastel green and black color sheet. A4 size I have folded down in half, and black sheet is little bit 1/4 inch less than the actual A4 size sheet, and the green sheet is actually less than 1/4 inch of black sheet. So this is the layering card. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Please comment, share and like how you like my videos. And you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook too. I have pasted down all the 3 layers and my base of the card is ready. These are the printed papers of different colors. We will make rosette flower. I have taken 3 strips of 1 inch and I am scoring it 1/2 inch and fan folded. You have to do the same procedure with all 3 pieces. We will make 3 different rosettes. For this rosette, you can punch it from the upper side to give a design look. I have used round hole punch. If you are having the heart punch, leaf punch, you can embellish it with that. Now attach all 3 pieces with fabric glue. Rosette is actually round stylish flower used for decoration, which can be made with the ribbons or papers. This is the another size I have taken. I have taken 1.5 inch of strip. This also you have to take 3 pieces. For this I am taking border punch and give a different look to my rosette. And again I am scoring at 1/2 inches. Again you have to make the 3 pieces of this also. If you are not having the scoreboard, you can crease it with the scale. And for this piece I have taken 2.5 inches. Again score at 1/2 inches and fan fold it. I am making heart shape to give a different look. You can create any shape like leaf or triangle, whatever you want. These rosette can be used as a party props, medals, cards decoration, backdrops, award ceremony for felicitation and etc. These are ready now, and you can cut 1 inch circle also for sticking it properly. We get this type of shape by fan fold it. And to attach it, I am adding 1 inch circle on the back side of the flower. In the same way, you have to do all the flowers. My rosettes are ready. Now on the card, take a satin ribbon for little more decorative. You can embellish your card with different things also. I have taken the satin ribbon. Stick it with the Fevicol or glue gun. You can change the decoration as you want. and removing the extra one. I am layering the rosette also. You can place diagonal segment also in the rosette. Now I am embellish my rosette with cute little buttons. You can use pearls, stones, message tags, etc. for the embellishments. As we are making the Teachers' Day card, so I am writing Happy Teachers' Day. You can embellish your card according to your occasions. You can use this card for the birthdays, anniversaries, get well soon, thank you card for the teachers, etc. Now I am highlighting with the golden color on the one side of the letters. This is the quick card you can make for any occasions. Now my DIY quick card is ready. To embellish little more, I am giving marks or on the card. You can write messages inside the card or your feelings for the person. Both the cards are ready. You can embellish it with anything. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.